Hi Buran, just wanted to update you what I've done so far. So this is the Python interface. So here you can see that all those IDs for each of these boxes has been detected, and I have literally marked all those RYs as well. So the back, next, and all those buttons to the right hand side, so they basically work as normal, as it was doing before. So right now you can see the home page. So next job for home page would be to stop all the RYs working and keep only next. So only next should work for home page. And so when we go into the first slide, so when you go into the first slide, so all of these actually works. So if I go and try show and hide, so I can actually, like, show my hand and it will go and then it will come back. In terms of the operational progress, so right now for this slide I supposed to take brick from this bin. So if I try any other bins, for example this one, so it shows that okay, error, collect from this particular bin. So it will actually give all that information. And if I take it from the right one, so it will show that oh, you have collected that bin. So next work would be to give another instruction that okay, you have collected the correct bin, now place it to this point, so which is kind of animated as well. And they will basically place that on this position. And as of now, with this idea of marker, we can easily identify whether within this target ROI, which I will set for this slide number 1, whether ID number 6 has been added or not. So if not, it will give another warning message over here that you need to collect the right brick. But the issue right now I have with this marker system, and what I feel would be that if I want to, let's say, add one more brick on top of this area, so I cannot do that. So one of the way around would be not to target um, these marker points, rather try to use the other spaces which is available. So without that, I mean, it would be actually tough to do multi-layer of these Lego shapes. And I don't know for this paper whether we can keep only like this kind of view instead of like going layer above layer. So I need actually some suggestion from you on that. And perhaps there will be some way around to actually do it in a better way. So then rest of those slide will be repeated. So if a correct brick has been placed in the target RY, and if we are satisfied, so then there would be another text box over here, which would say that okay, you have done, let's say, step number 1 properly, so you can go into next. Or we can actually trigger the next automatically if we want. So if you can kindly share your thoughts about the work, how should we proceed next, that would be great. And from now on until next Tuesday, I will basically focus on the literature review. So I guess that next week I will be able to come up with some concrete work for literature review as well. So I will come back on that maybe next week whenever you have some time, so we can talk about it. But as of now, if you can kindly review this video and give some feedback, that would be really appreciated. Thank you.